PayPal has become one of the most trusted platforms for online payments, but many users still wonder about the limit for sending through PayPal service. Whether you're sending money domestically or internationally, knowing these limits is crucial to avoid failed transactions or unexpected fees. For verified accounts, PayPal allows you to send up to $60,000 per transaction in most countries. But this may vary depending on your account type, country regulations, and funding source. Unverified accounts have much lower limits, typically around $500 per month, which can be lifted by submitting identity documents. Another important aspect is the instant transfer on Cash App International app. While Cash App primarily operates in the United States and the United Kingdom, international users have been finding ways to leverage its instant transfer feature for quicker payments. Using this service, funds can reach the recipient in minutes instead of days, making it ideal for freelancers, businesses, or urgent transfers. Here are 5 practical strategies to maximize PayPal and Cash App transfers. 1. Split large transfers. Break large payments into smaller chunks to avoid hitting the PayPal limit and reduce potential flags for suspicious activity. So, here's another tip. Use bank-linked instant transfer. By linking your bank account with Cash App, you can actually make instant transfers without having to wait for those usual standard processing times. It's really handy if you need your money right away. So here's the thing. When you're sending money internationally, it's important to leverage currency conversion wisely. Always keep an eye on PayPal's conversion rates, because if you don't, you might end up losing money. And if possible, use multi-currency accounts for better savings. It's just a smart way to make your money go further. Another tip. Pre-approve your recurring transfers. By setting up automated transfers for your regular payments, you can save a lot of time and also avoid the hassle of accidentally exceeding your limits. It's honestly a simple way to keep things smooth and stress-free. Now, if you need to send money to someone you know, using trusted friends for peer transfers can be really helpful. Sending through friends and family options on PayPal or Cash App can actually bypass some fees. But yeah, always double-check that you trust the person, just to steer clear of any scams. Oh, and don't forget, PayPal and Cash App both offer mobile alerts and detailed transaction histories. These features help you keep track of your limits and make sure you never go over your allowed amounts. So, combining these tools with the strategies we've talked about can really make your transfers faster, safer, and more efficient.